C. Law enforcement. If agencies such as the U.S. Marshals, FBI, or military leadership refuse to act, either out of loyalty or fear, then the government is no longer bound by law. It is bound only by force. At this stage, the institutions have failed. That leaves only one force capable of restoring constitutional order: the people.
The people.
3.
Us.
The power of the people. A peaceful insurrection.
Yeah.
If the government has abandoned the rule of law, mass mobilization must begin.
That's right.
The most effective and least destructive way to force compliance is through economic and social disruption. A. The general strike, withholding labor and consumption.
That's right.
Workers across industries stop working, bringing the economy to a halt.
A halt.
Consumers refuse to spend money, shutting down commerce. Rent and debt strikes put financial pressure on landlords and banks. Local bartering networks allow survival without reliance on the corporate economy. B. Rolling protests, decentralized and unpredictable resistance. Protesters gather in high visibility locations, then disperse the moment law enforcement arrives. New protests emerge randomly, keeping authorities constantly reactive. Traffic disruptions and economic blockades add pressure to those enabling the rogue administration. Digital coordination using encrypted communication ensures secure planning and adaptability. Fake outs and misinformation confuse law enforcement, forcing them to chase phantom protests while real disruptions occur elsewhere.
Short pause.
C. Law enforcement fatigue and institutional collapse. Continuous economic and civic disruptions exhaust government resources. Businesses pressure the government to restore stability. Internal divisions grow within law enforcement, and the administration as public defiance spreads. The endgame, forcing a reckoning. The goal is not chaos for its own sake.
Right.
The objective is to restore the rule of law by making the country ungovernable
The people's
until the
rule.
rogue president is removed or forced to comply.
Right.
This is the power of the people. A government that does not serve them cannot function without them. If all else fails, history has shown that a government that loses legitimacy is ultimately overthrown. The people must be ready, organized, and committed to seeing it through. Because if they do nothing, the next step after defying court orders could be defying elections, suppressing dissent, and solidifying autocratic rule. The time to act is before the situation becomes irreversible.